Meaning of doubly.
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 Doubly. The word doubly is an adverb that describes something that occurs or exists in a twofold or double manner. It indicates a higher degree of intensity, frequency, or significance than the original state. When used in a sentence, it emphasizes the importance or magnitude of the verb it modifies. For instance, she was doubly cautious while crossing the street means that she was exceptionally careful, more than usual, because of a specific circumstance. Doubly sure implies taking extra precautions to prevent any potential errors or mistakes. Overall, doubly suggests an increased level of something beyond the ordinary.